Hey guys, I'm Georgia Pop, and this will be my last reaction for today, and this is gonna be again BTS guys, and this is their summer version of Airplane Part 2. Well, that Latin amazing song. So we're just gonna go inside this, and I am so excited. And I think recently they appeared in Dear Graduate of 2020, and I saw the live streaming, so that was amazing. I just currently opened it at that time, and it just said like BTS is performing, so I'm like, wow, I'm just gonna listen to it. And right now they released it as part of FESTA. Then it was released like pretty long ago. I don't know when it was released, so I just see it, guys. I'm just gonna go for this now. Airplane Part 2, and my bias in BTS is B, and my record is Jungkook, and I'm just gonna go for it now. So I didn't know how the song is gonna go like, but I don't know this version. So it's like pretty surprising for our fans. So since Saipan March, when they released this one? May 31st. Oh, it's almost 10 days. Okay. One, two, and let's go. Oh gosh. No. 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 Oh, Jungkook. Why does it look it's been taken a long time ago? 18. Oh my god, Jimin hopping on Jungkook's back like that. Oh wait. This boy is every time. Oh, I am. Oh, Jenny. Jen. Wow. Wait, is J-Hope and Big dancing? Oh gosh, that was fun. Oh gosh. Oh, Jungkook's so cute that time. Oh, they're playful. Oh, Sugar. Oh, what is Aaron doing? Oh my god. Oh, Jimin, stop doing that. Okay, is Aaron literally bringing stuff from the behind? Oh, look at J-Hope. Oh, wait, Jimin, the cute friends. RM is just looking at Shan and he's dancing. Oh my god, what is he doing? The point of not concentrating when RM is literally a big place and behind. Is Jimin trying to be something, like he's trying to do something? And RM? Oh. It's like the song's ending too soon. And I don't know. They were like, oh my gosh. BTS, they're always fun. And oh shit. Oh my god. I couldn't stop laughing at what RM was doing behind. He just went behind, took all the things in the behind, and then he ended up dancing with a chair on his top of the head. Oh my god, this was like a hilarious one, but a summer version released like 2 years ago. Then they're posting this for us today, and not today, exactly like 10 days ago. Wow, thank you so much for this BTS. Like this was like enjoy, like oh my god, it's like a summer song. And Jungkook, I think this hair color I remember. Is it when it was an idol, like when there was, so it's back in 2018. Yes, I think it was when the idol or DNA or okay, I'm just kind of confusing myself. But well, I came to know K-pop in 2018, so I may not be knowing much about that year's K-pop songs. But oh my gosh, this was a fun movie. Oh my god, I couldn't stop laughing. And wow, guys, if you guys will love this reaction, do give it a huge thumbs up and take care and be safe, guys. And I think this made my day, like the last reaction for the day, and this made my day, making me all laugh and cringe and literally not making me concentrate on all the members who are literally facing camera and dancing, but the members in the back, they were getting more attention. So I'll see you guys next time. So it's me, Sandra from your J-Pop saying bye bye and take care and be safe, guys. I'll see you next time. So yeah, bye bye and take care. And Indian Army saying bye bye.